What if the future of mechanical keyboards wasn't just about performance, but turning every keystroke into visual art? Meet the Asus ROG Night Demon Extreme SE, a keyboard so bold it looks like it came straight out of a Cyberpunk exhibit. This isn't just another mechanical keyboard. This is a special edition, launched exclusively in China, and it's one of the most striking designs the ROG lineup has ever delivered. At first glance, one thing stands out. Everything is clear. The chassis is crafted from CNC machined aluminum, finished in a reflective space silver tone, paired with transparent PC keycaps. The alphanumeric keys feature PBT putting caps for durability and texture, while the rest are fully transparent, letting the RGB lighting spill through like neon underglow on a gaming rig. Even the switches, ROG NX Snow and NX Storm, feature custom transparent shells, completing the futuristic aesthetic. Beautiful? Absolutely. Practical? Well, transparent keycaps can show fingerprints and feel a bit slippery, but that's the price of art. Under the hood, the Night Demon Extreme SE means business. It features a 75% compact layout, a gasket mount structure, and triple acoustic dampening layers, giving each key press a softer, more premium feel. But here's where things get serious. With the included ROG polling rate booster, the keyboard supports a jaw-dropping 8,000 Hz polling rate, not just wired, but wirelessly. That means lightning-fast response times, near-instant input recognition, and latency so low, you'll forget it exists. There's also speed tap mode, designed for precise counter-strafe control in shooters. Not quite rapid trigger levels of speed, but close enough to give competitive players an edge. Up front is a built-in OLED touchscreen, not just for show. It displays everything, from lighting presets to CPU temperatures in real time. A multifunction metal control knob, magnetic adjustable feet, and a transparent base wrist rest round out the experience. This thing doesn't just act like a premium keyboard, it looks and feels like one. Right now, the ROG Night Demon Extreme SE is exclusive to China, priced at 3,599 yuan, around 505 USD. No global release yet, but considering Asus recently expanded its Asus lineup worldwide, a global version may only be a matter of time. So, what do you think? Is the Asus ROG Night Demon Extreme SE the future of premium gaming keyboards, or just a visually stunning collector's flex? Let us know in the comments, and if you love high-end gaming tech, don't forget to like and subscribe.